Hey guys, welcome to my channel Take a Dialogue. Today I will be showing you how to fix did not connect potential security Firefox. So let's go to start. First you have to open your Firefox browser. On the top of the right side you have to click on three lines. Then you have to click on settings. Now in search box you have to type HTTPS. If you scroll down, there is an option DNS over HTTPS, and you have to click on Advanced Settings. In Advanced Settings, you can see three options: Default, Custom, Off. Make sure it should be default, so mark on default. After doing this, you have to open a new tab. Then in search bar, you have to type about double clone config and press enter. A message will pop up and you have to click on accept the risk and continue. In search bar, you have to type security underscore enterprise underscore roots underscore enabled. After typing this, you can see there is an option and it is true. Make sure that it should be true. If it is false, then on the right side there is a button. If you click on the button, it should be false, true to false, and false to true. Make sure it should be true. Then go back again the settings tab, and in the search bar again type HTTPS and little bit scroll down. There is an option connection and software security, and you have to click on advanced settings, and under HTTPS only mode make sure don't enable HTTPS only mode is selected, and this can fix the issue. If the issue doesn't solve yet, then you have to restart your PC and hopefully it will solve. So friend, try this in your PC and let me know your feedback. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video and subscribe my channel Take a Dialogue. That's all for today my friend. Thank you, take care and goodbye.